2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, so welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the new Apres Gel X Neutrals collection. The hashtag they use is my nails but better, and I have all 4 colors in all 4 different shapes. All the shapes are 3 of them are short and 1 of them is medium. So let's go ahead and get into it because I'm so excited. All right, so let's start from lightest to darkest. So the first one is Macy. So these tips are 150 pieces with 11 different sizes. And like I said, this is Macy. Look how pretty she is. She is the lightest color of all 4. And oh my God, look you guys. She is gorgeous. She's so freaking pretty. Let's go ahead and grab a color or a tip. And this is kind of how it looks on my hand. Super cute. This is the shade I'm going to be using today to do a design on my nails because I'm getting ready to go on vacation. So we're going to do our nails today. You guys, when I saw that they posted this collection, I was so excited. I literally was like, I cannot wait. I was literally counting down the days and the hours. As soon as they dropped it, I was on the site booking it, okay? Just buying everything. So the second to lightest shade is called Alex. So this is Alex. Super pretty. You guys, I'm like obsessed. They need to make these permanent, and they need to make the bags refillable, because right now you can only buy a box. You can't buy them individually. So yeah, I hope people like them as much as I do, and they actually make individual bags. So this is Alex. Look at this color. Like, they weren't lying when they said my nails but better, because these definitely look like a beautiful neutral shade for my skin tone. It's so freaking pretty. And this is the square medium. So I got Alex in square medium. And I got Macy, which I didn't say. I got Macy in short coffin. All right, so the third to lightest color, she is Lila. And I got this one in short stiletto. And let's go ahead and put her on so you guys can see. So as you can tell, she's a little bit darker, but she's still so pretty. Like, this color, like, I literally cannot pick my favorite color because I literally love them all. Like, oh my God, look at this. And the good thing about this, it saves time. If somebody wants just a full like neutral set, you pop these on, you top coat the you buff the top and top coat it, and you're good to go. And then the final shade, which is the darkest one, is called Mia, and this is how it looks. And there's Mia. This color is so pretty. It's like a mauve color. Oh my God, like, I literally love them all. Alright you guys, so here are the colors. This one's Macy. This one's Coffin Short. The next one is Alex, medium square. The third one is Lila, short stiletto. And the last one is Mia, short round. And these other colors. They're so freaking pretty. Like, I am obsessed with these, okay? That concludes the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera. I'm gonna prep my natural nails, and then we're gonna do a design using Macy today, okay?